If you're tired of struggling to shed belly fat and longing for a flat stomach, or if you dream of achieving clear and radiant skin that exudes confidence, then this is your sign to start making your own wellness shots at home. Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to Healthy Utopia. In today's episode, we discover an effective drink that can help you attain your goals for a fitter body and a healthier complexion. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to a more confident you. There are so many incredible benefits of this detox drink. Not only is it great for your skin, but it's also anti-inflammatory, helps reduce digestive issues, strengthens your immune system, and even boosts metabolism. Ingredients and preparation. The best part, it only takes about maximum 5 minutes, costs just a couple of dollars, and the ingredients are also simple. Let's start the process. 1. Start by cutting a fresh lemon and ginger. Peeling the skin of the ginger is optional, but it can enhance the flavor and benefits of the shot. 2. Remove the lemon zest for a smoother consistency and better taste. 3. The next step is to blend everything together in 1 cup of distilled water. So there you have it, a quick and easy recipe for a detoxifying and debloating drink that you can enjoy anytime. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Healthy Utopia. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.